Hey everyone, you're listening to Weekly AI News with Shaily. I'm Shailendra Kumar, and if you're curious about how cutting edge AI breakthroughs will shape our near future, you're in the right place. This week, the AI world delivered some heavyweight developments from smarter autonomous cars that actually think on the road to groundbreaking supercomputing platforms that promise to redefine how we train and deploy AI at scale. So buckle up because the future of AI just kicked into high gear. Let's start with a showstopper announced at CES, NVIDIA's Alpamayo 1 model. Now, what's really cool about Alpamayo is that it's not just reacting to what it sees, it's reasoning through complex driving situations using what they call chain of thought reasoning. Imagine a 10 billion parameter AI that's basically thinking aloud as it drives, making real time decisions in unfamiliar and tricky scenarios. Plus, NVIDIA opened the doors by releasing 1,700 hours of diverse driving data and fine tuning code on Hugging Face for developers worldwide. Why does this matter? Because it marks a shift from autonomous vehicles just following fixed scripts or maps to actually having explainable thought processes behind their decisions. That means safer driverless cars that can handle rare, unexpected events without getting stuck or confused. And for robotics lovers, it's a big step toward physical AI that can reason on the fly. Partners like Hyundai and Boston Dynamics will definitely be watching this closely. Here's a question to chew on. Could this reasoning based approach become the new standard, making every future AI driven robot a virtual thinker rather than just a doer? From physical AI to pure language processing, we have the Falcon H1R from the Technology Innovation Institute. This 7 billion parameter hybrid model packs the punch of much larger systems, think 49 billion parameters or more, but it's faster, leaner, and more energy efficient. Why is this important? Because big models are great, but not everyone has the luxury of data center level hardware. Falcon H1R's ability to perform top notch reasoning on edge devices opens up agentic AI applications for smartphones, apps, and devices with limited resources. So, yes, your next AI assistant could be smarter while sipping far less battery juice. If you're an AI engineer, this is your reminder. Efficiency can be king. Sometimes it's not about bigger models, but better models. Speaking of speed and efficiency, NVIDIA made another splash with Nemotron Speech ASR. This is an open source speech recognition model that operates in real time, about 10 times faster than traditional systems. Now, picture this: live captions on your car's infotainment system or voice commands that don't lag or miss a beat. This means real time interaction with voice assistants or cars getting voice commands that just work instantly. Open sourcing this tech means developers everywhere can jump in, accelerating adoption in consumer devices and automotive AI. It's a democratization moment for speech recognition. Quick thought: with latency so low, what new voice driven experiences might emerge that we haven't even imagined yet? Now, let's pivot from models to infrastructure with a major business announcement: NVIDIA's Rubin AI supercomputer platform. This is not just another supercomputer, it promises 4 times fewer GPUs for training massive mixture of experts models and reduces inference cost by a factor of 10 compared to the Blackwell platform. Why should we care? Because AI progress isn't just about algorithms, it's about compute power at scale. Rubin's energy efficient design and its endorsements from heavy hitters like OpenAI and Microsoft mean this platform could be the backbone powering future AI breakthroughs without incurring astronomical energy bills. This reminds me of Hopper GPUs in 2022, infrastructure shifts that spark entire new generations of models. Rubin could very well be the unsung hero enabling the AI boom of the next decade. Here's a question for you: how far do you think AI can advance if infrastructure bottlenecks like compute costs vanish? Does this usher in an explosion of innovation or a need for new regulations on ethical AI use? Finally, OpenAI jumped on the vertical specialization train with ChatGPT Health, a new interface designed specifically for integrating medical records and answering wellness questions. With over 230 million weekly health related queries on ChatGPT, this launch is more than just a feature. It's a dedicated leap towards safe and accurate AI driven healthcare information. Using vertical LLMs like this can improve accuracy and trustworthiness in high stakes domains, but it also raises the stakes for privacy, data security, and clinical validation. For everyday listeners, here's a quick takeaway: AI in healthcare isn't the future anymore. It's here and happening now, changing how we manage wellness and access medical knowledge. Putting it all together, these highlights reflect a clear 2026 trend: smarter, more efficient AI that reasons deeply, works on smaller devices, and plugs into everyday life with real world applications. From agentic models controlling robots and cars to infrastructure breakthroughs cutting energy costs, we're seeing AI evolve from flashy demos into truly scalable, practical systems. If I had to pick the development with the longest lasting impact, it would be NVIDIA's Rubin platform. Because all this genius innovation depends on compute, and Rubin promises to make that power far more affordable and accessible. To wrap up, I'll leave you with this thought from AI pioneer Yoshua Bengio: the best way to predict the future is to invent it. And indeed, this week's AI news is a vivid reminder that the future is being invented right now around us by brilliant teams worldwide. If you enjoyed this episode, connect with me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Medium. Just search Shailendra Kumar AI. Drop your comments, share what excited you most, or any questions you want me to cover next week. And hey, if this podcast adds value to your day, consider subscribing and sharing with your network. Till next time, keep exploring the data and let's keep making money out of it too.